Are you tired of your drawings looking flat and unrealistic? Do you want to add depth and bring your artwork to life? Today, we're going to learn the secrets of 1 and 2 point perspective drawing. These techniques will instantly transform how you draw. Perspective is all about creating illusion of depth. Let's begin by talking about 1 point perspective. Start by drawing a line across your page. This is your horizon line. Add a point in the middle. This point is your vanishing point, or where the viewer's eyes take them. Let's start by drawing a simple box in 1 point perspective. Start with the front face of the box, a square or a rectangle. We can now connect each corner of the shape to the vanishing point with straight lines. The key is to keep all vertical lines parallel. We now fill in our perspective lines, and we have a box that looks like it's receding into the distance. Once you feel comfortable drawing shapes in perspective, you can now use 1 point perspective to create three-dimensional scenes and images. Now, let's take it up a level with 2 point perspective. 2 point perspective requires two vanishing points across our horizon line. With 2 point perspective, we start with a vertical line instead of a shape. This marks the front corner of your box. Then you can draw lines from the top and bottom of the line to each vanishing point. Now we can add vertical lines. The key is that they are all parallel. Both sides define your edges, connect those edges back to your vanishing point, and just like that, you have a 3D box from two angles. Once you create shapes and understand the angles and viewpoints of 2 point perspective, you can create super dimensional scenes that create a really realistic and dynamic image. That's the basic of 1 and 2 point perspective. Try these techniques on simple shapes first, and with practice, you'll be able to apply perspective to more complex scenes and objects, making your drawings look super realistic. If you enjoy 1 and 2 point perspective, you can keep creating fascinating images by changing where your horizon line is, where your vanishing points are on the page, and create scenes from a viewpoint of either a bird in a tree or a bug on the floor. If you really want to dive in, 3 point and 5 point perspective are great ways to enhance very realistic and dimensional artworks. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!